In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a page in Confluence from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a new page, choose the right starting point, and begin adding content to organize your team's documentation. To create a new page, click the Create button at the top of your Confluence workspace. This opens the page editor, where you can start with a blank page or choose a template that fits your needs. If you want your page to appear in a specific location, open the appropriate space in the left sidebar and click the plus icon next to the page or content section. This creates a page within that part of your page hierarchy, keeping everything organized. You can also press the C key on your keyboard from anywhere in Confluence to quickly open the page editor and start creating a new page. Once the editor opens, enter a descriptive page title and begin adding your content. You can insert headings, text, tables, images, links, checklists, and other macros to build a clear and well-structured page. When your page is ready, click Publish to make it available to your team. You can always return later to edit or expand the page as your documentation grows. That's all there is to building a page in Confluence. Thanks for watching.